Hello, my name is Ryan Lloyd, and I'm an owner of Ryan's RV Repair. We are located in Texas, and this is where our franchise journey begins. I've been in the RV industry for over 30 years. I started when I was 18 as a technician, working my way up to a service manager and then a shop manager. And then in 2009, we opened Ryan's RV Repair. My wife Tracy joined us to run the office to help provide a stable, profitable business together.
Ryan's RV Repair was built on one simple principle: work done right. We focus on diagnosing the real issue, not replacing parts unnecessarily. We communicate clearly, keep customers informed on cost and timing, and treat every RV as if it were our own. That approach has earned us repeat customers from across Texas and from other states as well. The RV industry is experiencing record growth. More families are traveling full-time, more retirees are living in RVs, and demand for reliable repair services continues to rise. Despite that demand, there are very few organized franchise brands in RV repair. That gap is exactly why we created the Ryan's RV Repair franchise opportunity. Ryan's RV Repair is a mobile-first franchise model designed to keep overhead low while delivering essential, high-demand services. Franchise owners provide RV appliance repair, electrical, plumbing, awnings, leveling systems, refrigeration, and general RV service without the need for a large brick-and-mortar facility. The total estimated initial investment for a Ryan's RV Repair franchise ranges from $98,050 to $175,250. The initial franchise fee is $40,000. Other estimated startup costs include opening inventory of $5,000 to $10,000, equipment costs of approximately $1,000 to $2,000, a service vehicle investment ranging from $21,000 to $60,000, depending on whether a pickup truck or box truck is selected, initial marketing and grand opening advertising of $5,000 to $10,000. These figures are designed to provide franchisees with a realistic and accessible entry point into business ownership. Franchise owners operate under a 10-year franchise agreement and receive a protected territory generally ranging from 3 to 5 miles, depending on market density. Royalty fees are 6% of monthly gross sales, with a 2% local advertising contribution. Training is a critical part of our franchise system. Franchisees complete approximately 80 hours of structured classroom training, followed by 2 weeks of on-the-job training at our Texas location. Training covers technical service standards, pricing for profitability, customer service, insurance fundamentals, and systems training so owners are fully prepared to launch. Ryan's RV Repair is not a corporate concept built in a boardroom. This is a real business built in the field by people who actively run it every day. We are looking for franchise partners who value quality work, strong customer relationships, and long-term growth. If you are looking for a franchise opportunity with lower startup costs, essential services, and growing industry demand, Ryan's RV Repair may be the right fit for you. Ryan's RV Repair, work done right, built for owners, positioned for the future.